Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add retro effect to your videos using the CapCut app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the CapCut app, then add one of your videos to your project and go to the effects section, which is in the middle of the toolbar. Then just tap on the effects section, and then it is going to open up these two options, the video effects and body effects. Now tap on the video effects section, and here you will find a huge library of different effects. And to apply a retro effect, you can find them at the trending section. There are a few options, few different retro effect options. This one is the retro DV4. There is retro film effect, and also retro burst. But you can also find a huge library of other different retro effects. If you go to the retro section here, as you can see, there are many different options that you can use for this. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.